Assalamu alaikum students, I am your teacher Miss Maria, and students, welcome back to English class. And this video is for class 5, and students, take out your textbooks because we are going to do work from our textbook. Or open your page number 77. Today we are going to do connectives in sentences. Mention date on your page. Today is 1/9/2020 and it is Tuesday. So what are the connectives? This is the topic of the grammar. Okay, that what are the connectives? As I hope you have heard about the word conjunctions. Okay, so these are more or less similar to the conjunctions. Good writers use different types of sentences to make their writing interesting. Knowledge of how to build sentences of different patterns will add variety to the text. They are saying that the different writers or the good writers, they know how to make their writing more interesting, so they use different types of sentences in their writings. They build sentences in those kind of situations, और ऐसे बनाते हैं वो अपने सेंटेंस को कि जो पढ़ने वाला होता है वो कहता है कि वी मस्ट हैव टू रीड दिस लेसन और these sentences or this topic. So he will add variety of things in his text. Writers may use connectives to help them build sentence. So the writers or the good writers may use these connectives in their sentences to build the sentences. Connective is a word or a phrase that links one idea to the next. What is the connective? Connective is that word or that phrase which create a link of a first sentence to the other sentence or the first idea to the other idea. When ideas are linked, readers can understand the text more easily. For example, in the first idea we are talking about the pencil, and in the second idea we are also talking about the pencil, but the writer is giving more information about this pencil, so it will give a clear picture to the reader. Look at these main clauses. All players wear shoes with spikes. They can start running quickly. Do you think these clauses above are related? If so, how? आपको लग रहा है कि these two sentences are related together? If yes, then how? ये दोनों आपस में किस तरह से connect कर रहे हैं? Now read this sentence. All players wear shoes with spikes so that they can start running quickly. It is more clear or this is more clear? Obviously this is more clear, ठीक है, because they are wearing shoes with spikes. Why they are wearing shoes with spikes? It can help them running quickly. The connective has been highlighted in the above sentence. It shows how the two clauses are related to each other. In the example, it provides a reason for all players wearing shoes with spikes. This is the highlighted word. These are the highlighted words. So these are the connectives. It shows the two clauses are related to each other. These are the two clauses, and these two words or this phrase relate these two sentences with each other. In the example, it provides a reason for all players wearing shoes with spikes. It is giving the reason that why they are wearing shoes with spikes, because it helps them start running quickly. Connectives can be used for many purposes. Here are some functions of the connectives. The first one is to link ideas. Okay, as we have discussed it earlier, that it create a link between two ideas. The batter tries to hit the ball with the bat and drive it out of the reach of the players in the field. Why he tries to hit the ball with the bat? Because और क्योंकि वो ये करना चाहता है कि वो उस बॉल को वहाँ से दूर लेके जाना चाहता है. ठीक है, प्लेयर्स की पहुंच से दूर लेके जाना चाहता है. दैट्स वाई ही हिट द बॉल विद बैट. ठीक है. Then other connectives that can be used to link ideas are as well as, besides, together with, both, and not only but also. These are also the connectives to link the ideas. ठीक है. Number 2 is to compare ideas. Baseball is not as popular as cricket, that we are comparing two things, two ideas. This is my idea that baseball is not as popular as cricket, and it is true that cricket is more popular than baseball. ठीक है, we are comparing two things with each other, so we will use as. ठीक है, words like as well as, then, as if, like can also be used to compare ideas. When we are comparing ideas, so it depends on the sentence that we are going to use this or this. ठीक है. Then number 3, to show the contrast. The visiting team always bats first while the home team takes the field. This is the contrast between two things. We can also use connectives such as but, yet, whereas, although, even though, despite, and in spite of to show contrast. You can also use these words to show the contrast between the sentences. Number 4, to introduce examples. Baseball players use equipment such as batters, helmets, shin guards, baseball bats, and baseballs. So this is introducing the example. For example, this is introducing the equipments. ठीक है, and you have used such as. Other connectives which you can use that introduce examples are, for example, that is, for instance, namely, and in particular. These are also the connectives you can use to introduce the examples. Then, to provide an alternative, good base runners can steal bases or take an extra base or a batted ball. Words like nor, either, neither, either, or, neither, nor, and instead of indicate that an alternative is provided as well. You can also use these words to provide an alternative. How you can use this as the alternative? Good base runners can steal bases or take an extra base or a batted ball. To show order. Okay, then you can also use the connectives to show the order. The team in the field will attempt to put opposing players out before they can travel around the bases. कैसे वो उसको वहाँ से निकाल सकते हैं या ला सकते हैं? बिफोर दिस टास्क. ठीक है, ये वाला टास्क कब होगा? जब ये वाला टास्क कंप्लीट होगा. ये वाला टास्क कब होगा? जब ये वाला टास्क कंप्लीट होगा. We can use after, next, then, finally, first, firstly, in the first place, to begin with, second, secondly, etc. to show order to. ठीक है, we have a lot of contractions or connections. Sorry, not the contractions, connections, connectives. ठीक है, we have a lot of connectives to use or to show the order. Connectives can also be used to indicate place, time, reason, cause, purpose, result, means, manner, and condition. इन सारी चीज़ों को भी शो करने के लिए हम connective sentences में use करते हैं. State the purpose of each highlighted connective in these sentences. The batter may take a full swing by hitting the ball as far as possible. The umpire ran to the base where the batter had collapsed. The batter took a full swing because he wanted to hit the ball as far as possible. There are 2 dugouts for players to occupy when they are not on the field. If a batter misses the ball 3 times, the teams will switch roles. As in this sentence, they have told us that the connectives may also be indicate the place, time, reason, cause, purpose, result, means, manner, and condition. So in the second sentence, they are telling us that where or the place, where from where they know. They are telling us that this is the place or the place. They are telling us. Okay. In the second, they are telling us about the reason. Okay, because when they use because, that means this is showing the reason. That when is showing us time, or if is showing us the condition. ठीक है, so can you give more examples of connectives for every purpose stated? So we will do it in our school as well. ठीक है. So students, this is it for today's class. I hope it is clear to you. If it is not, then let me know in the comments. And if you have any queries regarding the connectives, you can ask me in the comments. or I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz, students.